Hey guys, welcome back. So Apple is planning some huge design changes in the iPhone 14 series where Apple might bring the new hole punch plus a pill-shaped cutout to finally get rid of the notch. And this new design will represent the latest iPhones in 2022, which definitely looks unique and Apple-ish. Today we got some more new crazy updates regarding the iPhone 14 series on which we'll be talking about. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So back in 2018, Apple first introduced the eSIM functionality with the iPhone XS series, and then every latest iPhone had one eSIM and one physical SIM tray. But now it looks like that is going to change with the next iPhone models because according to the new report, Apple will be removing the physical SIM tray from its upcoming iPhone 14 series, which means users will be able to use two carriers at the same time but without any nano SIM slot. And this will be a huge headache for many people because with the eSIM, you have to visit the store to activate it on your device. However, the company may offer a different variant with a SIM card slot for those carriers that are still not supporting the eSIM functionality. Now moving on to the next update, Apple is working on a new feature that will easily accept credit card payments on the iPhones. This feature will likely take advantage of the NFC technology present on the iPhones and enable small business owners to accept card payments directly through their iPhones. Not only the upcoming smartphones will have this feature, but the current iPhones will also get this function via update. But as of now, it is not clear whether this feature will come with the upcoming iPhones, which are expected to launch in the second half of this year, or Apple might bring this feature in the upcoming iOS 15.4 beta version. Now talking about the RAM, Apple is also increasing the RAM up to 6GB for both the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max, which are expected to be the base models in the iPhone 14 lineup. And we already know that iPhone 13 mini was last of its kind and there won't be any mini device coming this year. Also this year we may likely have only 60Hz refresh rate display on both the base models, which is kinda shocker because both of these devices are flagship level phones with high-end features, and where even budget Android phones are also coming with 120Hz OLED panels, these iPhone variants in 2022 are still stuck at 60Hz display. Moving on to the cameras, with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, Apple is expected to add a fresh 48 megapixel sensor as a primary shooter. Not only this, Apple will also enable 8K video recording option, which is definitely a great move. As of now, we can only imagine how well Apple can optimize this new sensor according to their taste, and this is the first time where Apple will use more than 12 megapixel sensor on its iPhones. Moreover, we all know that iPhones are the best in recording the videos, so it would be good to see how well Apple can implement this feature on the latest upcoming iPhones. So there you go guys, these are the latest updates regarding the iPhone 14 series. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question related to the smartphone, and if you enjoy watching this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.